Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out an HGV license application form. So this is helpful because if you fill out correctly the first time, you avoid delays and get approved faster. So start by using the correct HGV application form for provisional license. Then enter your personal details like your full name, address, postcode, and date of birth. Make sure everything matches your current driving license. After that, add your driving license details, especially your license number, and complete any questions about previous names or addresses if they apply to you. Next is the health section. Answer it honestly, and if a medical form is required, get it completed and signed by a doctor. This part is important because HGV driving has stricter medical rules. Then choose the correct HGV category you're applying for. Take a moment to double check everything that you've selected and make sure it is the right one. And before sending it, review the whole form, sign where needed, and make sure nothing important is missing. Then submit it to address on the form with any required documents and payment if needed. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.